Hey Virgos, hi, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be from August 1st to the 15th for you guys. If you've been following my page, you would know how I do this. So, basically, I'll be first looking at your current situation, and basis that, I'll be looking at the next 15 days for you. If the current situation resonates, then the outcome will also resonate with you. That's how you know if this reading is working for you or not. Okay, so I'll end it off with a couple of oracle cards from the universe so you would know. Let's see what is going on with you, Virgos, currently. Current situation for Virgos. Let's see what's going on with you. Temperance, the Hanged Man, Six of Cups. Okay, so there is a sense of balance in your life right now. Maybe you made a plan and you're feeling happy about it. You want to be in this energy. Although maybe you might want things to move a little more ahead, but it is not moving right now. But that's still okay for you. Like, you're not beating yourself up around that, okay, why is it not moving more ahead than this and stuff. You're not doing that right now. Okay, I can see things moving faster for you. Okay, and I feel that somewhere you want a certain sense of your childhood or something, like, I mean, a picture of your childhood related stuff to be there in your life. Like, maybe you had a dream, you want to fulfill that dream. Okay, and you have faith in it. You think you can pull it off. Okay, probably you're not doing anything about it. Like, maybe you've seen that dream and you've left it there. Like, you're not doing anything very severe to make it happen and stuff like that. No, you're not doing that. Okay, that's what I'm seeing in terms of what is going on presently for you. But yes, you are in a good state of mind. It's not like you're feeling very conflicted or you're not in a happy state of mind or anything. But yeah, I'll just clarify the Hanged Man once. What is the Hanged Man here for? 10 of Cups. Yeah, you want to hold on to a situation. You want to, because you really think that this has potential and stuff like that. So if this resonates, let's see what's coming in the next 15 days for you, Virgos. Next 15 days for Virgos. The Star, Nine of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, I have a feeling you will not get the reciprocation from the other side. Whichever thing that you've been wanting to do, you might not get reciprocation from there, and that might make you feel a little irritated. Okay? Irritated as in it will give you some jitters, some nightmares, like, you know, not feeling good, maybe thinking that, I mean, did I do the right thing or not? Is this the path for me? So those feelings will set in that, did I do the right thing? Like, those kind of senses. Now, I am seeing that maybe you are just focused on a bigger picture. Small things are right there in front of you. So why not focus on the small things and just change your vision, change the way you look at things at this point? Because it's not like there is nothing happening at all, okay? There is something happening for sure, okay? But the point is that you want it in a certain way and it is not happening in that way. And probably that's the reason why you're feeling sad. You feel that the door is closed. But actually it's not. The door is open, okay? You got to take that small gift also that is coming your way. And if you don't, then of course you're going to feel this way. Okay? Of course you're going to feel this way. It just seems to me like that there is a dream and that dream is becoming a cage for you. You got to break free from it. Like, okay, I'm not saying that don't dream. Dreaming is a good thing. But the point is that when you are dreaming, okay, you got to also know that sometimes there are some dreams that will come true, some of them will not. But if you're close, it is a good thing. As in, like, if something is happening, it's a good thing, right? So learn to kind of focus there a bit as well. Okay? Let's see. What is the advice for you here, Virgos? What is the advice for Virgos? Mental conflict, triumph, base chakra. Okay, listen. What I am seeing over here is that you want something and you're becoming a little demanding, which is not good in any way. Being demanding is like something that the universe never appreciates. You want something good. Put it out to the universe, it will give it to you. Whatever you deserve will come to you at the right time, at the right place. If it is not coming, then it just basically means it is not meant to come right now. So you got to understand this feeling. You can't like think that, okay, why is it not coming and how can this happen with me and all of that. You're getting into a negative frame of mind and you're getting into, what should I say, you're not feeling good about it. And in that process, you're creating a very negative energy around you, which is not good. It's not at all good. You got to let go of that feeling. You have to understand that, how much ever you're getting is what you deserve. Okay, you're trapping yourself in that process. You maybe think that if I don't get this, my life is useless. Might be you're thinking this way. But that's exactly what you're not supposed to think at this point. Your life is not useless. You're getting what exactly you're supposed to get at this point. And so you should feel happy about this thing. And the universe wants you to feel happy. And I don't think there is any reason why you should feel unhappy here. Okay? So the next 15 days, I think that you will again get into that energy of thinking that, okay, this is what I wanted. I'm just getting 10% of it. I'm not happy. Stop being that way. Be happy in what you get. Alright, Virgos? So that's what I have for you. I hope this reading resonates. Let me know in the comments if this has helped you. Also, guys, I have 2 pages on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other is for crystals. And you can check them out. The link is there in the description, whichever one you want to pick up. And also, guys, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I shall see you soon. Bye.